Hello everyone. Everyone wants to be a good artist and draw beautiful paintings. Some can, but someone fails. So here we are going to introduce a step-by-step tutorials which will make you a beginner to a master in painting or drawing. Just follow all the steps and practice again and again. Practice, creativity, control of your hand and some basics technical concept will make you a masterpiece. So this is the first video in this series. Subscribe to get notified of our next videos. So let's start, and we will start from the very beginning. As you are a beginner, don't start drawing in art paper or in drawing copies. Find some rough pages, white papers or newspaper. So at first we will learn to draw straight line. We have to practice to draw straight line. First of all, we will draw a line using a scale. After that, we will draw a line under it, parallel to it. While drawing this line, make sure you are drawing a straight line. Slowly, you increase your speed while keeping the line straight. You have to practice many times to make a straight line. Next, in the same way, you draw a vertical line and start practicing. All the lines should be parallel to the first line you have drawn with the scale. First you draw slowly, after that you increase your speed slowly. But make sure you draw a straight line. If you find increasing your speed you are drawing a slanting or curved line, then decrease your speed and draw the straight lines. Next, start drawing some geometrical shapes like square, triangle, etc. So here I am drawing square first. Next is triangle. After that, the most important thing in drawing, that is a circle. First of all, you draw a circle with the help of any round shape object you have in your home. After that, you overwrite on it. Do like this again and again many times over the first line you have drawn, and increase your speed slowly. After doing this about 20 to 30 times, you draw a circle in another place. Now you have to practice like this many times, drawing different shapes of the circle. Some big circles, some small circles, some medium circles. You have to draw many circles. Next, start practicing doing some ovals like this. Some horizontal ovals and some vertical ovals. Whenever you find you are not drawing a perfect oval or a circle, you can overwrite on it to make it correct. Now you start practicing different shapes like S, pentagon, hexagon, stars and different geometrical shapes. You may think drawing all these things are childish, but believe me, by doing this you will bring control in your hand, which is very much necessary to be a good artist. If you are a beginner, you must practice all these things at least 30 minutes a day for at least 15 days before proceeding to the next step. So practice all these things like line drawings, circle, square, rectangle, S, all these things again and again. But the most important thing is the circle. So keep practicing. We will meet in the next video very soon. Thank you for watching.